Welcome back to another Printing Center USA tutorial. Today we're going to be using our dynamic templates to create a hardcover book in Photoshop. Let's get into it. So start by visiting the website and hover over the Books tab, then select Hardcover. Next, we'll scroll down to the Instant Pricing tool and set our hardcover book specifications like size, quantity, inside page count, inside ink, and your preferred paperweight. Now under the Pricing tool, you will see Download PDF Template. Click that link and your file will process and your template will be found in your downloads. Open the zip file in the Adobe Photoshop app, then click and drag your template into the app and your file settings will appear. Here is our file settings. Everything should be properly set up on this pop-up, so just click OK. And as you can see here, our template is set up with trim, bleed, and safety lines, so all you need to do is create and add your design. This process is the same with inside pages as cover pages, except the added back cover and spine. From here, you can save and upload your files to the website for print. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to leave your questions in the comments. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, and until then, happy printing.
Get online.